This boat here, we've got a boatman who is going to help us restore this boat. So we're going to take it out of here over to his garage sometime next week or so, and clean it up and get it all ready for the new season. Clean it and paint it. Maybe set the mast up, and show this. This is one of 3 boat exhibits that we have here. This signage too, we're going to be replacing these signs. On our list, we're going to be painting this bridge and fixing this up. This is real slippery when it gets wet, so that's why we have this carpet on here. We're going to put some sand-based paint on here, give it some traction so that it won't be slippery. This is the boat shed bench. We're going to be painting that also. This is dedicated Mavis and George Daly on the occasion of their 50th wedding anniversary, celebrated here in 1999. So this was their gift to the Gardens for having their wedding. This is a wonderful place to have a wedding or a party of any kind, actually. Those signs need to be replaced. We're doing a contract to replace these signs. This here is the buy boat, and that's been cleaned up. We're gonna paint the shed sometime this summer. There's another rain barrel that we haven't hooked up, but that one was hooked up. It's working. Another project we have going is we're going to paint these sheds. I like the idea of doing it in Art Deco kind of pastel colors, but the board hasn't approved that yet, so I don't know if they're going to go for that or not. They might. What you're looking at here is the Vanity. The Vanity was really a unique boat that was built as a racing boat, because the activities on the bay, when this was built in 1938, the activities on the bay were tending more towards recreational as opposed to aquaculture. Been neglected, so there was a lot of algae along the side and on the tarp, so we came in with some soap and water, good old soap and water, and a nice stiff brush and a hose, and cleaned it up. So it looks much nicer now. It still needs to be painted, and that's on the agenda to get some paint on it and kind of get it fixed up. But it does look bad. It's been there quite a while. 1938.